Listen up, your Toyota audio sucks, and today we are here solving that problem. We're installing our plug-and-play amplifier kit in this GR86. Very, very easy to install. Let's get it done. Listen up, first things first, remove this plastic panel tool. Carefully pry it out. Don't scratch anything, okay? All held in by clips, see? Very easy. Next up, remove this, okay? Grab it from here, pull out, straight towards you. Screwdriver, remove this. Check it out. Grab it from both ends. Next, remove vents center, okay? See the corner? I'm gonna go ahead and push it here, pull it straight out towards you, okay? And be very careful because it is touching the top of your radio here, okay? And I'm gonna pull down this armrest on the driver's side here a little bit, just so I can remove the vents here. And then there is one connector up top here for the emergency light. I'm just gonna push the release tab and remove that. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna pull this down a little bit further, which will allow you access to this bolt here. And there are 4 10mm bolts we are going to remove. Grab your stinky, musty jacket, put it on top right here. That way it protects your interior. You're gonna have to get rid of your musty smell later though. And then grab a 10mm and 1, 2, 3, and 4 bolts we are going to remove. Okay. Next, we will remove the radio, pull straight towards you. Be very, very careful, it is pretty heavy. And here we have the radio out. And here we have 2 models of both of our plug-and-play amplifiers. Today we're going to be installing the ENA2S1. And the main difference is that this one has 45 watts, and this one, the ENA3S1, has 50 watts by 4 channels, and it does have RCA outputs that the ENA2S1 does not. So in case if you do want to add on an amplifier or a subwoofer in the future, the ENA3S1 is recommended for you. But today, we're going to be installing the ENA2S1, and the installation process for both amplifier kits are the exact same. Inside, you will see the plug-and-play amplifier here, mounting tape and foam tape, instructions manual, and our beautiful plug-and-play wiring harness. And the 2 plug-and-play connectors we are going to be working with is going to be this one here and this one here, okay? All right, so first things first, I'm going to remove this one here, where my thumb is, pushing down this tab right here, and pulling straight out towards the front of the vehicle. Very, very easy. Next, we'll do this one, same thing. Never pull on the wires or here, just pull on the actual connector. If you guys have a hard time struggling like I am, use a plastic panel removal tool to do the exact same thing. Sweet. Plug and play wiring harness. And our female ends go into the factory connectors here. Push it in, make sure you hear a click, okay? Beautiful. And then the male ends go into the back of the radio, like so. And after the 2 connections have been made behind the radio, grab your plug and play amplifier, and it does come default gains at 12 o'clock position for the front and the rear, but this is our personal preference. We usually recommend the front to be at sort of like the 1 o'clock position, like shown. And it's all up to personal preference. You can just plug it in and listen to some music and tune it as you like, but this is what we usually recommend. Again, personal preference, so you guys don't have to follow ours. Just play some music, listen to it, and adjust your gains accordingly to what you like. We're going to be working on routing these 2 plug-and-play connections to the amplifier. And all I'm doing is just routing it right behind this bracket here, all the way to the glove box here, okay? It's going to be right on top of our glove box here, and the wiring harness is going to be right over there. I can pretty much touch my hands back here. And it's coming out over on this side here. And here it is. Okay. Alrighty, and we are going to use some alcohol wipes to wipe down our amplifier, because we're going to be installing some 3M double-sided sticky tape, and it's going to go right on top of the location that I just showed you, just right on top of the glove box. And I'm just wiping down the surface, ensuring that the 3M sticks. So this includes the glove box and our amplifier as well. Okay. I'm gonna use a strip of some 3M double-sided sticky tape. We want the wiring facing that way, so probably this side here. Okay. And one is good enough. You can use both of them if you like on this side too, but one is mostly good enough. Making sure I'm holding it there for like 30 seconds. Okay. And since the wiring is facing the center side, we want the wiring to be the same, or the inputs to be the same. Okay. And make sure you don't damage that connector back there. So try and use your hand around and kind of wiggle that wiring harness around and push this in. That way it's nice and wedged in between. Now I'm just pushing down the tape. Alright, that way it's nice and secure, won't move. And then we'll plug in our two connections here. So the gray one goes to the gray port, and the white one goes to the white. Perfect, and that's it. Next, we'll carefully lift the radio and maneuver the radio back in carefully, ensuring all the holes line up. Perfect. Next, grab your 410 millimeters and screw them back in. Next, we'll grab our vents, plug back in the connector, and be very careful of this L shape again. Perfect. And then we'll put this back in. Perfect. Next, we'll put back the piece with the silver lining. Match up all the clip holes, push her in, and we'll screw that back on. Grab this vent piece here, line up all the clip holes. And then we'll grab this little shark fin side piece here. Match up all the clip holes. Very, very easy. Just like that, roll down the windows, blast some music, enjoy the road and your driving experience with your new elevated audio. All plug and play, very easy to install, and leave a comment down below if you guys like the video, subscribe, and love you guys.
Look, I don't take no loss, it's simple. Stand up, God, on 10 toes. Looking in the mirror, who better than me? Got their hands high, tell them that I'm out of their reach. I know